Welcome to our channel. In this video we are going to review top 3 best blenders. Before starting the video, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell icon. Our first product is Ninja BN801 Professional Plus Kitchen System. The Ninja Professional Plus Kitchen System with Auto IQ features a new modern design and more functionality than Ninja's original kitchen system. Ninja Total Crushing Blades and Pro Extractor Blades assembly give you perfectly crushed ice for your smoothies, frozen drinks and nutrient extractions. The 72 ounces total crushing pitcher is great for making large batches for the whole family with 1400 peak watts of professional power, plus its single serve cups with spout lids makes it easy to take delicious nutrient-rich smoothies on the go, but don't just stop at drinks. The 64 ounces processor bowl provides precision processing for even chopping smooth purees, and up to 2 pounds of dough. Auto IQ technology provides preset programs that do the work for you, no guesswork required. Versus BL770 based on the number of available blending programs. Extract a drink containing vitamins and nutrients from fruits and vegetables. 64 ounces max liquid capacity. Our second product is Breville BJB815 BSS 3X Blucer Pro. More flavors, more variety, more fun. Make the most of your fresh ingredients with the 3X Blucer Pro. This high-performance blender juicer features our Kinetics contoured blade and bowl system and a 3.5-inch extra wide chute. With cold spin technology, 5 one-touch programs and 10 precision speed control, you can extract fresh juice straight into a high-capacity 50 ounces blender jug and create delicious fresh slushies, smoothies, cocktails and much more. The Breville 3X Blucer Pro is a blender and juicer in one, with a 3.5-inch wide chute, cold spin technology, 5 one-touch programs and 10 speed settings. You can extract fresh juice straight into a 50 ounces jug and create smoothies, cocktails and much more. The 3X Blucer Pro's versatility allows you to blend, juice or combine fresh juice with blended mixes to enjoy all the nutrients, creating more vibrant, healthier creations. Maximize the freshness and get 3X the flavors, variety and fun. 5 one-touch programs. Use the smoothie and green smoothie programs to enjoy silky and smooth textures. Turn ice into snow with Pulse/Ice Crush and easily create fresh cocktails with the frozen cocktail one-touch program. Our third product is Vitamix Professional Series 750 Blender. Vitamix fuels passions. It's why we're the brand most trusted by professional chefs. But you won't just find us in restaurant kitchens. You'll also find us in home kitchens around the world. Because whether you're interested in the culinary arts, making healthier choices, or enjoying restaurant quality smoothies at home, when you're ready to move on and move up, when you're ready to invest in your passion, you're ready for Vitamix. Built to last. A bargain blender's not a bargain if it doesn't last. We know purchasing a Vitamix blender is an investment. But Vitamix blenders are built to last, helping you buy dependable, not disposable. Easy to clean. Just blend warm water and a drop of dish soap at your machine's highest speed, and watch it self-clean in 60 seconds or less, no disassembly required. The difference is in the blend. Since the number one reason people purchase a blender is to make smoothies, it's important to get them right. Whether you prefer an icy blend or a perfectly smooth puree, nutrition packed with veggies or a light, fruity treat, Vitamix smoothies give you a delicious, even blend in every sip.